Welcome back, guys. Today we're gonna work on the monkey because small bikes need love too. Today we're gonna replace the stock airbox right here with the Chimera intake and a K&N filter. I bought these two on steadygarage.com. Check them out. They got a bunch of sick parts for these mini bikes. I'm not a fan of the stock airbox because it's way too bulky. All right, first things first, we're gonna take out the seat and disconnect the battery. So on a stock bike, you would need a socket to remove the seat, but I upgraded mine to these, so then I don't need a tool to remove the seat. I'm gonna disconnect the negative terminal. Next, we're gonna take this off and transfer it to the new intake. All right, now that you have the sensor out, you're not gonna be using the old screws anymore. This kit comes with the 2 new screws for the sensor, so I'm gonna take them out and put it back in. And it doesn't matter which direction it goes in. Next, we're gonna install this onto the throttle body. All right, got everything bolted down. Now I'm gonna put back the battery. I'm gonna take it for a spin to see if there's any difference. All right, just got back from the test ride. It wasn't a long test ride because it's dark and cold and wet, so I only took it around the block, but definitely felt a little increase in power, and you can definitely hear the intake. I really like the new look. It's not as bulky as before. Nice and simple. I know the older version, this tube was chrome. I actually prefer the black one like this. Give that stealth look, you know? And then I also relocated my horn to right there. The original location was right here under the headlight. The reason I moved is because I didn't want, when you look to the front, you see 2 circles. I'll take away from the headlight, so I moved it. The intake install was pretty easy, straightforward. But yeah, let me go over all the mods that I've done to the bike after I got it. The first thing I did was taking off the mirrors and then replace the levers with these black ones. I got these on Amazon, I believe. And then next thing was the flush mount turn signals. I got them for the front. And then for the rear, I couldn't afford the European lights. They're about like 400 bucks for the whole set. So I pieced these together from Amazon, and they're pretty bright. I still gotta buy the relay to make the flashing a little bit slower, but it's pretty bright. That's the running, and this is the brake. And then for the signals, yeah, I gotta buy a relay to slow them down, but you guys get the idea. Horn still work. And then I got the fender eliminator from steadygarage, Yoshimura. I'm not planning to change the exhaust. I want to keep it quiet because my shovel is loud already, and my Evo's gonna be pretty loud. Sometimes I just want to ride in silence, you know, stealth mode, like a ninja and shit. And then, oh yeah, I got the rear passenger pegs for my wife whenever she want to ride, and then new pegs for the front. And I think that's about it for the monkey. I'm keeping it simple. It's my errands bike, also my chase bike for whenever I film other people. If you guys are in San Jose and you got a mini bike like this, hit me up, let's go for a ride. Small bikes matter too, you know. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the monkey. Just gonna enjoy it for now until I find other things to mod. The shovel is pretty much done for now until I come up with the paint scheme, like I said before. Now that both bikes are running, the next project is my Big Twin Evo. I'm pretty excited to get this one started. This is gonna be my mile muncher road trip bike. And I got a frame for it. In the next video, I'm probably gonna start stripping the bike and transfer everything over to this frame. Pretty excited for this build. Hopefully it doesn't rain. Ah shit, rain's coming.